All right, today is Friday. We're gathering over here, getting ready
Going in again for fishing.
to go fishing. My
First
fishing
thing
buddy.
first, drinking beer before go.
Yeah, need to warm up. So we're not allowed to drink on the boat over there. So, and just in case we cannot keep 6 feet apart, I got a mask.
We only need a mask when we in the car.
Yeah.
And we are on the boat far apart.
Yeah, the weather today is at 29 degrees right now, a little bit sunny and cloudy. Hopefully we can catch some today.
So not gonna get fast food with a mixed sandwich.
I got to making 2 tuna sandwiches already.
Oh, you
okay
had
with
already?
that? I put in the fridge at work today.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's still okay.
I'm gonna use a couple peanut butter sandwich.
Just in case. All right. Well, we're heading out to go fishing. Due to COVID-19, I think I have to wear my mask sitting next to this guy.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah, I got his mask on too. So
Very good.
now we're heading out to the lake. We'll see if we can catch some fish today. Well, we are now at the lake. We just launched the boat and we're ready to go.
One guy parked right in the middle.
All right. On the boat.
You gonna start, man?
Try first. Yes. All right. Engine started.
Oh, you don't need that chair, right?
That's a good sign.
Okay, let's back out. Hey, life jacket's out, man.
You want yours too? I got mine. I got mine on. You want this one?
Have an eye, boys. Sorry. Good. Good?
Yeah.
Wow, 2, 3 crank is done. That's good.
Wow, that's the second crank, not even third crank. All right, now we're ready to head to our fishing spot.
Usual spot.
Yeah. Okay, we decided to try with this new spot.
Not a new
See
spot.
how it goes.
Everyday spot. Everybody's sailing in this spot.
Well, this is not our usual spot, but we'll see.
Dog man was he's sailing a lot in here. Oh, St. Croix coming out.
St. Croix, yes. Go, got my GoPro. Get a wide in the way. Oh shit. Yeah, go back to our spot, I guess. These are maybe morning.
Over here,
Oh,
dog.
I got one. I got one. I got one. We're not leaving. We're not leaving. We're not leaving. First cast. First cast. Pickerel. Pickerel. First cast. First cast. Like a.
That's a flying
Oh
fish.
man, my lucky shot again. You got the water in already?
You got the
Ow.
oh, in. Should be something there, right?
Yeah.
See that fish flying.
First cast, first cast, first cast, people.
That's okay.
Oh, that's it, we're not leaving. Keep going, we keep going. We keep going. Well, we're now moving to a different spot. We caught one fish over here and that was it. So we're gonna try a different spot now. Yeah, my captain wanna take me there.
Yeah, try this.
Say hi, sir.
Hello.
We are at the new location. Oh, that's on. Boys, we got a new location. We're gonna try at this area with deep end for some pickerel or walleye.
Whatever bite.
Yeah, or whatever bites. Well, it's almost 8 o'clock now. It's supposed to get some fish at 8 o'clock. I'm still sitting down here reeling in for the last hour and a half or so with nothing. So, right, that one looks so comfy on this chair. Yeah, reeling in again with nothing. Get a lot of mosquito bites in there. Oh, oh, now, shit.
Ah, right.
All right. Now, help me, help me, help me, help me. I'm busy with my camera.
You on your own.
Hmm.
You're gonna take a picture or you're gonna take a fish?
Yeah, turn now.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, big one. Cool, cool, cool.
You know the rule number one, huh? Unhook your own fish.
Another one?
See? Can just high rod, man.
Can't
I don't need sand man.
Yes, starting to get some bite now. Yes.
Giant.
That's good size, eh? Okay, unhook myself.
You can hook your own fish.
Unhook my own fish. There you go. That unhook itself. That's number 2, people. Oh. Okay. Yes. Oh, lost it. Yes. Yes, yes. Another one? Too small? Still good size. Yep. Oh yeah, I didn't bring the back out.
More water in the pool.
Yeah. It can still survive. Oh. Right on the side. Oh, I think I'm gonna rip this guy.
So the fish with Alan.
I don't have a phone.
No, after you win, you do that.
Oh yeah. Yeah. All right. There you go. Put behind me that thing. So right now it's about 8:40. I'm start to cast some. Yeah, there's more coming. Yep, so it's this time 8:40. 8:40, really nice. Oop. Walleye. Yeah,
Whoa!
pike.
No, man. Can you think you can get that thing?
Oh, walleye. Basket.
Thing underneath there.
Net.
Yes, come on.
Where? Oh, what the hell? We have the net out here. Oh, that's a big one. How your net work, man?
Nobody.
You get it ready.
Ah.
Ooh, there's a big one. Come, look there.
You got it, man.
Wow.
It's a
Yeah,
big
nice
salmon.
one. Yep.
I only
See?
allow one of these.
Is that right? That's 18 inch.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one anyway.
They catch it more than that.
Man,
Cool. Now I am in the game.
you're in a game. One walleye for
I am
each.
in the game.
What the? Yeah. Yes. Another one. In crappie again. That's okay. I'm here for crappie. Walleye is bonus. Walleye is bonus. I got one bonus already. I don't know how to use your thing. Hand and done with it. Man, my camera dropped down. That's it, huh?
You leave the net out, didn't you?
Huh?
Yes, leave it out.
No. Why you leave it out? I don't know how to use yours.